Hey YouTube, Amber here, and all the boys, and there's Andy, and we are headed to Pine Knot Family Farm. Some new friends that we met at the shindig. They only live like an hour away from us, which is really cool. So we're headed out to their place. They invited us out, and looking forward to a really fun time with them. So we're gonna take you along, introduce you guys to them, and we hope you'll enjoy today's vlog. Oh, that dude's mean looking. Whoa.
Mean looking dude. That's a girl, by the way.
Made a new friend, didn't you? Hi, Scout. Hi. Pet him? Okay. Hi, Scout. You are so big. Oh my goodness. This is their guard dog for their property. Alright guys, we want you to meet our new friends. This is Levi, Tasha, Case, and Austin from Pine Knot Family Farm, and they only live like an hour away from us. We met them at the shindig, and we are so glad to have met them. We've had such a good time out here. So why don't you guys just kind of tell our viewers what you got going on out here.
Hey everybody, I'm Levi, and again, we're Pine Knot Family Farm. We're from Northeast Arkansas. We live on an 80-acre farm here. We have a lot of cows, horses. We do a lot of gardening, and again, we're just trying to meet a lot of folks that are kind of like-minded about being more self-sustainable. Just trying to learn a lot and grow, and hopefully meet a lot of good people. And so hopefully y'all follow us, and we can learn from y'all, and y'all can learn from us, and we can all share, and that's what our goal is, to actually just be a part of this community and really enjoy it. So what do you got to say?
We also have chickens, and we do a lot of canning from our garden. We always have different projects going on. We're building something. We're building a greenhouse right now. So y'all just check us out.
Yeah, y'all need to definitely check them out. Their greenhouse and garden is amazing. Y'all will be seeing clips of the tour. They gave us a tour of the whole farm today, and we've had so much fun hanging out with them. So definitely check out their channel, because they got a lot of cool things coming up, and I know that you'll love them like we love them.
Okay, you're sweet.
Here, let me see. Here. Ah, it licked me. Okay. What do you think, Byron? You ready, Byron? So we had a really good time with the Pillow family over at Pine Knot Family Farm, and there will be several more times of us getting together. We just really connected, and our boys got along so well, and we had so much fun. And I'm gonna show you something that we ended up with, okay? Well, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment below if you enjoyed it. And hey, why not share our videos? That would help us out a great. So, as my friend Belly Bub over at Getting Started on Homesteading says,
Belly Bob. Belly Bob. Belly Bob. Belly Bob says.
Is a public service announcement. If you're stressed out and feel like you're in the dark, all you need to do is go over to Haskins Family Vlog and ring that bell. It will make you feel better.